सब्सक्राइब कीजिए यूट्यूब मास्टर अर्नब चैनल को और साथ में बेल आइकन दबाइए कोई भी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू वीडियो। आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है वेस्ट वाटर मैनेजमेंट। जैसे कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं भारत में पानी की समस्या जो है दिन बर दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है, तो इसलिए ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। सो काइंडली वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। सो लेट्स गो। So first of all, I will discuss a few lines regarding wastewater. We all know that we can reuse water, but we are not very much conscious about this. So as we use water for different purposes, we contaminate it. This contaminated water is unfit for us, hence we consider it as waste. Now the question is, what happens to the water that we use in our home, for example bathing and sanitation purpose? Well, this water sinks and enters the sewage pipes. The sewage pipes transfers this wastewater either in the drains or directly in some areas. Now, the wastewater released by different homes, industries and other users is commonly called sewage. Sewage can be very much harmful as it is a complex mixture of suspended solids, liquid waste such as chemicals, different organic and inorganic impurities and several disease causing microorganisms. These pollutants make the water dirty. So the water that we see in the drains are brown or black in color and may have a very bad smell. If this wastewater is directly disposed into water bodies, it will pollute the water, causing a lot of health hazards for aquatic plants and animals as well as human beings who draw water from their source. So in the part of general public, everybody must ensure that the sewage system in every home is properly managed. If there is any leakage or any other problem in the sewage system, it should be immediately reported to the municipality for the welfare of others in the neighborhood, as diseases like typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, dysentery, etc. are waterborne. On the other hand, this contaminated water mixed with different pollutants has to be treated properly. For that purpose, new technologies has developed a number of outstanding methods to remove the pollutants and make it less harmful on different stages by using highly developed machines. This is togetherly known as the wastewater treatment plant. Now let us discuss about all the stages involved in the wastewater treatment plant one by one audiovisually. In step 1, the water is simply allowed to pass through bar screens. The bar screens are made in such a way that solids like plastic packets, napkins, sticks, cans, etc., which are big in size, get separated and the water can freely pass through the screens. In step 2, the water is transferred to a sand and grit removal tank, where the speed of incoming wastewater is reduced as much as possible to allow sand, grit, pebbles, etc. and other solids which are very small in size to settle down, and the water is separated from the top. In step 3, the water is allowed to settle in a large tank called clarifier, which is sloped towards the middle. That allows solids like feces, animal waste, food waste, etc. and many other semi-solid substances to settle down. This is called sludge. The sludge is then removed by using scrapers and is transferred to a separate tank where it is treated by anaerobic bacteria. The biogas obtained in the process can also be used for cooking. A skimmer is used to separate floatable solids such as oil, grease and fats. The water is then separated. In step 4, the water is allowed to settle in a large tank called aerator. Inside the aerator, oxygen is pumped to promote the growth of aerobic bacteria. The bacteria utilizes the oxygen for biodegradation and stabilizing the wastewater. That is, the microbes can consume even the smallest organic waste particles that still exist in the clarified water. After a few hours, the consumed matter along with the suspended microbes settle at the bottom as activated sludge and the clarified water is separated.
Lastly, the water is disinfected by chlorination to kill the germs and remove the harmful chemicals. Finally, the water becomes ready to be pumped into different water bodies. This picture is of a wastewater treatment plant in Washington DC, USA. This picture is very much important. In this picture, you can clearly see the system of wastewater treatment plant, including all the primary and secondary steps, along with some highlighted words we described earlier. So these were the steps involved in the wastewater treatment plant. Hope you guys enjoyed. We must be proud of our science and technology through which the wastewater treatment plant has been developed to conserve and reuse water, as water is one of our most precious natural resource. सो दिस मच इन दिस वीडियो। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी हो, तो एक लाइक तो बनता है और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। सो मैं फिर से वापस आऊँगा एक नया इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो लेके, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, जय हिंद।